Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 54 Human Resource in Laravel 10. This is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside this Human Resource in Laravel 53 video already uploaded. This video is started 54. Let's start. First of all, this my gem server started Apache and MySQL. I already started this local host PSP myadmin open successfully. Localhost PSP myadmin successfully open this gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this project name SR means human resource. This open the Sublime text editor. This my text editor, and in your text editor open this folder name is SR localhost SR. This localhost folder name is SR. This folder name is SR. Successfully working. Let's env file check.env file. This SR database name is SR available. This successfully this name is available SR. Inside this user table, click this user table. This copy this email ID and password 123456. Enter password 123456 and 6. 0 means employee, 1 means SR available this role, 1 means SR login. Click this, show this password, successfully login. This don't show password, successfully SR login. This SR login. Click this payroll. Inside this Excel button add inside this all export data without created in start date. All data export. This click this Excel, this file open in inside this Excel button add. This copy this URL admin payroll URL. Inside this route web PSP open. This find successfully this route find. This controller open payroll controller inside index function. Payroll controller open this controller inside index function. This payroll controller available this backend inside HTTP controller backend inside this payroll controller. This available. This index function is available. This open this file backend inside payroll inside list. Resource view backend payroll inside this list file. Successful list file is available. This add payroll button is available. This add payroll button. Let's step by step. Next button add. This get method a link create. This first of all add tag create a Excel export class name btn success. btn success. This btn one missing. This copy this btn and new btn success. This export. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this button Excel export available. Let's new URL create. This URL name admin name inside this payroll export. Copy this URL. This URL name is add tag means get method. Let's save file inside web.php. Open this controller. This available inside this add tag means get method. Export this payroll controller inside new function create a class. This function name is same name. This function name is same name and save. This payroll control open inside this new function create. This new function create public function request $request and this echo Excel and die. Let's save file and this save file in this save. Refresh this page. Click this Excel export. click this export. This fine is Excel export is available. Let's go to this Excel. Echo is print. This Excel print. Good. Inside this, now create return Excel download new payroll export. File name is payroll dot xlxx. This file name. Let's save in this Excel. Add this inside this two. This name is add and this Excel is add. Two name is add. This successfully add. This export Excel, this add, and this Excel add. Two is add successfully. This export app inside export. App inside this export available this folder inside this new file. Create file name is PSP. Payroll export PSP successfully available. This file is called. This add inside this add inside this add. This file is blank. Step by step writing this code. First of all, this PSP start and this names app export. This app inside this export folder name. Second name is all heading all request add. Successfully all add, and this add class and close this. This file name is add payroll export. This file name is payroll export all available. This user app model payroll model add. This model is already available. Model inside this payroll model is available inside this get record is available. This get record available. This table name is payroll table. This table name is available. This payroll table. This payroll table is available. This join query is available. This join query is available. This model inside user or step by step set. Let's step by step add public function by default name collection. This Laravel by default name is collection. New variable request. Create request all. This request already passed. This request all and return payroll model. This payroll model add inside this already this created this function. Get record copy and paste here. This request pass. This request copy and paste here and save. Second name protected $index variable create is equal to 0. Third, all by default function. This map is by default name. $new variable create user array is available. This next function create public function. This headings array available. This return this add. This return this add. Save file. Let's this user inside this available. This name is ++ $this index already create this index successfully add. Second name is $variable user create this user paste here this id name. This first of all, this table name is this id add. Second name is available. This name is employee id means join query add. This employee id is join query. This name is available, user name. This join query add. All step by step name add. Let's step this employee number of work of this add. This bonus add. This copy and paste here. This remove and enter. Add this all column add. This add. This overtime add. This gross salary add. This cash advance add. Late hour absent day SS contributes. This add total. This duration add and net pay add. This add. Let's create a data updated. This variable create. This variable add and this updated. This two variable create add and last remove. This all name create. Inside this available, this copy this variable, copy and paste here is equal to date dmy s I. This second I SSI. This request this user, copy this user already available $user. This name is created add. This date format sense. Second copy and paste here. This second variable name is add and this name is sense. Successfully this name is changed. This date format changed. This date format ymd. This dmy. This date format changed. This all name is add. This heading series number. First this series number yes number. Second is table id add. This table id. This table id. This employee name. This name is employee name is available. Employee name. Third is available number of work. Or step by step add. Number day of work. This add. This successfully add. All name is available. Let's step by step. Bonus add. Overtime this bonus add. Overtime add. Gross salary. Cash advance. Late hours. Absent day. SS contribution. Copy this and second paste. This add. Copy and paste. Net pay. Copy and paste. This copy and paste. This copy and paste. This copy and paste. update date, created date, payroll net total P S SSC absent day hour cash advance gross salary, this overtime successfully set, this available, all this column set, this all file, this set, step by step all writing this code. Let's back button, click this back button and refresh this page and click this export. This timestamp is missing. Let's step by step this timestamp add str to time, str to time missing, this add str to time. Successfully add str to time. This back button, click this and refresh this page and export, click this. Successfully download this file, payroll successfully available. This name is all good. Let's check this mini file name, this successfully all good. This successfully set, this 145, this add 145, this series number 123, this number is add, this bonus number is add, this all number is add. This successfully this add, this date and time, this set, all set, this created date, update date, this all step by step set. This 3 record is available. This close this available, this click this view button, this all column name is available, this column name is available first. This successfully first column is successfully add all available, this available, the date and time all available. This close this in 3 record, this remove this, in this 4 numbers record, remove this, remove, delete, only 2 record in show Excel file. Let's remove this, just 2 record only available. This export button, click this and this payroll to click this. Successfully 2 records show, this good working Excel file, this good working. This date format add good working, this time and this date format. So this all called writing step by step. And this add, this two name is add, this model, this table name is add, this list inside this add, this web route add, this my website error solution code.com and this channel name is error solution.code. This same name is available. This any query to this button, click this and all answer. This my channel and this my website name. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and this channel is subscribed.